If someone asks me what kind of woman I won't say the most beautiful, I won't say rich, I won't say perfect. I'll say, I want a woman who protects my feelings, not just my heart. A woman who never makes me question my worth. A woman who doesn't disappear when things get hard, who doesn't use silence as a weapon. I want someone who communicates even when it's uncomfortable, even when it's not easy for her. Someone who chooses me not just when it's fun, not just when it benefits her, but every single day. I want a woman who stays gentle, even when life isn't. A woman who doesn't let stress make her distant. Someone who listens, not just to respond, but to truly understand. Someone who sees my struggles and doesn't call me weak, but stands beside me like I matter. I don't need expensive gifts. I don't need grand gestures. I don't need perfect. I want someone kind, someone loyal, someone safe. Someone who feels like home in a world that never slows down.